In this video, we're going to tell you about how to submit your project to the LAEF STEAM Fair contests.
You will need to create a Google slide presentation to share everything you've learned, created, and/or experimented with.
On the LAEF STEAM Fair website, you will find a project planning packet that you can print if you'd like. And in it, you will find specific instructions for what to put on each slide. There is one for a scientific investigation project,
and another for an engineering design project.
Okay, here are some tips for making your Google Slides awesome. The first tip is to organize each slide with section headings. Check your planning packet for suggested headings for your type of project. So a section heading is like the one you see at the top of this slide. To add a slide with section headings, you can click on the down arrow next to the plus and look for a layout that has the word title in it. And when you click that, you can have a space where you can type in your heading. So something like background research or conducting my project. And then down below, you can type your information, and you can even resize this box to make space for pictures. The second tip is to include pictures and/or videos. So to insert a picture in your Google slide, you go up to the top and click Insert and choose Image, and then you can either go down to the camera to take a picture or choose Upload from your computer and insert a picture that you already have loaded on your computer. You can insert video from either YouTube or Google Drive. So if you have a video that you have already uploaded to YouTube, you can paste the link here and then insert it into your Google slide. If you have a video that you have loaded on your Google Drive, click here, look for the video, and then insert it into your project. Okay, if you don't want to embed videos, you can also provide a link to a video that you have somewhere that is shareable. The next tip is to add captions for pictures. So for example, here's a picture of the student testing his water gun. And if you need to describe what's happening in the picture, go up to the top and click the square with the T that says text box, draw a text box, and then you can type a caption. So, testing my water gun. And then of course you can change the font and you can center it by going up to the top and clicking this center button. The next tip is to use fonts that are big and easy to read. So for example, this text right here is clear and it's big and it's really easy to read, but this text over here on this side is too fancy, too small, and the colors are too light. So text should be easy to read and dark colors. The next tip is to use bullets instead of paragraphs. So if you want to add bullets, you'll get a text box, draw your box, and then at the top there is a little icon that looks like this, and there are several different types of bullets that you can choose from. I'm going to choose this first one here, and you can type your first idea, hit the enter key, you'll get another bullet, and you can type your second idea, and so on. The next tip for making your slides awesome is to use solid color backgrounds or just stick with white. At the very top, you'll find a button that says background, and here you will see the different colors you can choose from. Stick with lighter colors if you're going to use a colored background, but it really is best just to stick with the basic white background. It makes the fonts and the pictures easy to read and see. And that's it. Follow these tips and you will have an awesome Google slide presentation. You can also find these tips in your planning packet just below the suggested topic headings.
Now you're ready to submit your project. You will find a link to a Google form and additional instructions on how to submit your project on the LAEF STEAM Fair website. You will be asked to provide a link to your Google slide presentation. It's important that you change the share settings on your slide so that it's viewable by anyone with the link. Let's see how you can do that. Click on the top right-hand corner where it says Share. Then at the bottom, you're going to click Change Link to Los Alamitos Unified School District. And then in the drop-down menu here, you're going to click on Anyone with the link. And when you click on anyone with the link, that means the link that we share with people, anybody can open it. It's not restricted. Then Last, you're going to click copy link and you're going to paste it into the Google form that's on the LAEF website.
We'd like to thank LAEF and all their generous supporters for sponsoring this amazing opportunity.
Good luck with your projects. We can't wait to see your inventions, models, and experiments.